Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today, we're diving into something that every beginner investor loves to hear, real success stories. These are everyday people who started small, as little as $20, and turned it into hundreds, even thousands, through consistency, patience, and smart investing choices. So if you've ever thought, I don't have enough money to start investing, this episode is for you. Let's be honest, starting with a small amount can feel intimidating. You might think, what difference can $20 make? But here's the secret. It's not about how much you start with, it's about starting it all. Take Mia, for example. She began investing just $20 a week into a low-cost index fund through a micro-investing app. At first it didn't seem like much, but she stayed consistent. Over 2 years with regular contributions and market growth, her balance grew to more than $2,000. It's the power of compounding in action, small, consistent steps that build up quietly over time. Let's talk about another story, Daniel, a university student who started investing with just his coffee money. Instead of spending $5 on a latte every day, he redirected that into fractional shares of tech companies through a micro-investing app. In his first year, he invested around $300. By the end of year 3, his portfolio had grown to over $1,800. Not because of luck, but because of consistency and learning along the way. Then there's Aisha, a single mom who used cashback rewards from her shopping app to fund her investments. She didn't even feel like she was investing. But within a few years, those small contributions grew into over $4,000. The common thread? None of them started rich. They started curious and committed. Here's what these success stories teach us. Consistency beats timing. You don't need to predict the market. You just need to show up regularly. Reinvest your profits. Let your money work harder by reinvesting your earnings instead of cashing out early. Keep learning. The more you understand about investing, the smarter your decisions become. Anyone can grow their savings with time and patience. It's not about starting big, it's about starting now. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is it. Open that investing app, deposit your first $20, and let the journey begin. Remember, every success story started with one simple decision: to start. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. In our next episode, we'll explore passive income ideas for beginners. Practical ways to make your money earn even while you sleep. Stay consistent, stay curious, and keep growing your saving.